Welcome to our channel, where success is not just a destination but a journey. Today, we present to you a life-changing opportunity that will accelerate your path to greatness. Are you ready to drive towards success with us? Then buckle up and let's get started. Picture this: a future filled with achievement, growth, and fulfillment. It all begins with one crucial decision, and that decision is to join our community of achievers. At Micahcarcarellc, we believe in the power of collaboration and innovation. Our diverse team of professionals comes together to create an environment that fosters creativity and drives success. Personal growth is at the heart of what we do. We provide you with the tools and resources needed to unlock your full potential, empowering you to overcome challenges and reach new heights. When you choose Micahcarcarellc, you're choosing a path that leads to greatness. Our track record of success stories and accomplishments speaks for itself. I joined Micahcarcarellc a year ago, and it's been the best decision of my life. The transformation I've experienced both personally and professionally is beyond words. Here's what you'll gain by joining us. 1. Personalized coaching and mentorship from industry experts. 2. Access to cutting-edge resources and technology. 3. Networking opportunities with like-minded achievers. 4. Continuous support and guidance on your journey. Learning is not just confined to classrooms here. We believe in hands-on experiences that challenge and stretch your capabilities, fostering an environment of continuous improvement. Success is not just about individual growth, it's about making a positive impact on society. Through our various outreach programs and initiatives, we strive to give back to the community. The sense of camaraderie and unity within our community is unparalleled. We celebrate each other's victories and support one another during challenging times. So, are you ready to accelerate your success and drive towards greatness with us? Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Remember, success is not just a destination. It's a journey that we're excited to embark on with you. Join us at Micahcarcarellc and let's make your dreams a reality. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the path to greatness. Together, we will accelerate success. Subscribe to our channel for more inspirational content. Until next time, keep driving towards greatness.